Okay, so I was supposed to be walking you guys through a brake job today. Serenity's got 269,000 miles, and the brakes are sounding kind of shot. So I went, I didn't bother showing you how to jack up a car. I think y'all pretty know much about that. And of course, what I decided to do was go with a full reman, calipers, pads, rotors, shoes, hardware kit, all that jazz. There's a section for the rear and a section for the front. And before you get started on any job like this, one of the best things to do is to make sure that you have all the right parts. And so I was laying everything out, and then I immediately noticed that they sent me 2 right rear calipers, which means that today's brake job is not going to include the rears, and arguably they are in worse shape, which means I'm going to have to call up my supplier and get another right rear caliper. And something else that concerned me was the landings. You can see the landings here on these front calipers. They don't look that great, but that's okay. I think I can work with it. I also noticed that this one was missing, had one of the sliders, but not the other. Sometimes those guys make mistakes when they're putting them together in the reman shop. But fortunately, I think that these should be reusable. So they don't look too bad. I mean, they are stainless steel, but you know, should be able to clean that right up. So anyway, after deciding what parts you can use, make sure you got everything laid out. I got 2 front rotors. I got a new set of pads, reman calipers, left and right, which is important. And yeah, so we're gonna skip the rears for now and get going on the fronts. And this video is going to cut in and out as I go through each part of the process. But basically, what you need to do is put the car. You're going to have to unlock the steering wheel so that you can turn it back and forth, because you're going to need to get to all this stuff. And so I'm going to start with taking this off, and I'll be right back.